Welcome back, everybody. This short video will be about Math 3 AFM, and if you are in Math 1, this is not the right place for you to be, so don't watch it. Okay, so let's get started. There's a couple changes in Canvas, and there's good news is there's not a lot of changes, so I think we can pretty much operate like we've been doing. So let me get us started, checking a few things out here in Canvas, and okay, so there's a couple things that are going to be very, very important since we are virtual now. One of the biggest things is you've got to go to Canvas every day, Monday through Thursday. Check in. You need to turn your notifications on. If your notifications are on, then that's great. If they're not, you turn them on. I'll be sending you announcements through Canvas. I won't be doing as much email as I will just announcements in Canvas to everybody. Let me go down a list of a couple of things that have changed in here. One thing is we're going to have live conference hours, and this is for Math 3 and AFM, between 1:30 and 2 Monday through Thursday. Now what will happen is I'll send you an announcement through Canvas. It'll be a Zoom. That's the new way of, I guess, video conferencing. The colleges are doing it and everything, and it's, I guess, it's the thing everyone's using. And you see I got a link, a little button right here on the side. That's Zoom. Anyway, so you'll click the link and you'll join basically it's like a conference. We can all be in there at the same time. We can hold up to 100 people. I don't expect everyone will do that every day, but we should at least, if you're having trouble, check in with me. We can talk about the problems and things we're doing. So look out for that. That's going to be coming. So tech support. Okay, so tech support's going to be a phone number you can call if your computer's malfunctioning or something like that, or you know, it'll be Miss Nika, I do believe. I'm not sure. I know that goes to the school. One last thing here: this lunch order does not work, so don't use it. But you can still get free lunch if you go to your nearest elementary bus stop between 11 and 12 p.m. I don't know where that is for you, so you'll just have to, I guess, investigate that on your own. But Craven County Schools will supply you with a free lunch. Okay, now, let's see. There's a couple things that are going to be an issue for us since we are digital or virtual now. The TI-84 calculators. And we kind of saw this coming. I kind of realized this was going to happen to us at some point. You guys, if you have an Android phone, you can download an app at the Play Store called Wabbit Emu. That's WABBIT-EMU. It's a virtual, not a virtual. It's a TI-84 emulator. That's what they're called. It works great. I had a student go through the entire year with it last year, and it was no problem. Now, if that's not you, you have an iPhone like I do. You can't download that app, or at least I don't know how. You might have to pay or something like that. But we found a workaround for it. All right, so in our links to tools, and you guys, all more than ever, this page is so important. Look for announcements and things like that. There's a TI-84 calculator emulator in here, and you click this link. Let me close some of these windows out. It's going to take us, I'm going to do it right now, to this page. It's a Texas Instrument page. It's totally safe. You're going to do, if you have a Mac, you'll download on this one here. And if you're Windows, you'll download here. And it'll put a TI-84 emulator, which is a calculator, on your desktop. Okay, I'm not going to click that and do it now, but I'll tell you what I will do while we're sitting right here. Let me show you how they look. I'm going to pull mine up. So when you download it, it'll be this app right here. It's called SmartView. Let me see, come on now. There it goes. Launching it right now. And notice here it says no, continue with the trial version 90 days. You're not going to need it more than 90 days. So you're going to keep it free. Okay? So you're going to hit next, and it opens up this nice calculator. And it does everything we do. It's got your alpha y equals template there for the fractions. It's got summation. It's got, I think it's got the nice template for, let's see. I'm not used to using this, by the way, guys. So I'm sure it'll take some getting used to. But basically every keystroke is just like the other calculator. Notice it's got, let's see if it's got sequence looking kind of good like the other one has it. It does. Okay, so this thing's going to work just like the calculators you're used to using. So I would download it, use it, where you can't use Desmos. Because we all know Desmos is a great tool, but it's not going to be great in statistics. So when we get to that unit, you're going to need to download this app. All right, let's get to the agenda. All right, so that's the calculator issues. If you have any trouble with it, please notify me, email me. It worked great for me. I did it this morning. It took me like 3 minutes, maybe. All right, so the next thing I want you to do is check out, when you follow this 323 Begin Math 3 AFM Virtual Classroom, that is just another link to this Unit 8, because we're just keeping on with what we were doing. So I'm going to go there. And really quick, you're going to have some videos to watch here, and that you're watching it now. So, and I'm going to put in a quick review of sequences. You need to make sure you're watching these videos. Watch them all. Now, I'm going to keep going in Unit 8. We're going to go 8.2, 8.3. This is an ambitious path right here. This won't happen in 2 days. I can tell you right now, we're going to work on it probably longer than that. I'm going to put it in small chunks. I'm trying to limit your daily work in here to where you're not doing maybe 5, 6, 7 problems, like something like that. Use as much Delta math as we can. That'll be our assignments. I'm going to try to do the videos myself. If it gets out of control, I may have to do some Khan Academy here and there, but I'd like to do them myself. So we'll see what we can come up with. Now, finally, last thing of all, Friday now has become a teacher workday. Your days are Monday through Thursday. Your assignments are due by 12 p.m. on Friday.